Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Tonkatsu at home. Here are the ingredients: garlic salt, black pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose flour, 3 beaten eggs, panko, breadcrumbs, canola oil, pork loin. Start by slicing 1 pound of pork loin. Season the pork loin with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, flip the pork so we can sprinkle seasoning on the other side. Season the back with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and season again with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Then sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then flip it again so you can sprinkle some garlic powder as well. Place the pork inside a Ziploc bag. And pound it with a meat mallet to tenderize. After pounding, coat the pork into 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Dip the floured pork in 3 beaten eggs, ensuring it's fully covered. Finally, roll the pork in panko breadcrumbs, pressing down to fully coat it with panko. In a large pan, heat 2 to 3 cups of cooking oil over medium-low heat. When it is hot enough, fry each side of the pork for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Cool the first batch, then repeat for the second batch. Once all pork is fried, double fry each piece for 2 minutes per side for extra crispiness. Slice the tonkatsu and serve. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.